Here's a carrier and a Trane on my neighbor's house. 2011 Trane, and I haven't really read this one. It's a Goodman though. Oh, one. Used to be a carrier sitting here. Got a big something growing there. Here's the data. You want to read that? 2011 Trane is what I know. I was actually here when they got this thing replaced. I got to see the replacement going on. Should have filmed it. XL16i, manufacture date right there. 5th month of 2011. Sorry, I got a call and it decided to stop my phone. Yeah. Gonna get some pictures. Missing a logo. I have no clue why. But I'm gonna get some pictures now. Say hi to doggy. They probably don't recognize me. It's been a while since I've been near them. I'm gonna get some pictures, but they got a Romana carrier in the back. Originally, I would actually go up there and show you the receipt, but it's not running. Not running, so try to come when it's running. My other neighbors actually with them a lot more. Oh God, back through the death grass. Oh, you know, I can't walk through this death grass again. It's stuck all over my feet from it. This is called, I'm nicknaming this the death grass. See, I know them two actually recently filmed their ACs. 2 carriers, they have 2 black dogs. You'll probably recognize it when the video comes out of that house. I don't know when it'll come out. It was actually yesterday I filmed it. I might try and get this video out first though, because these are both different ACs. Those actually both are pretty new. I didn't actually really look at the date from the Goodman. Wonder if I'll ever get those ones running. Might try and get that thing running. I'm trying to go back at it and get it running. Oh my gosh, finally through that death grass. I'm just gonna have to nickname it death grass. Then I'll let it go out of control once, because they're on vacation. When I got back, it was all insanely. Oh my gosh. Hello, birdie. Okay. Here's the big birdie. Look at that face. I got you. I got you. Well, I got you almost. Okay. Bird. Hold on. You dance? You dance? Oh, that's pretty. I never make that sound at dances. I just want to do it.